Chapter 3. Fiber to Fabric. Let's begin. The basic needs of human beings are food and clothing. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, and adverse climatic conditions. Early humans covered their bodies with leaves and skins of animals. Then they learned to weave twigs and grass and covered their bodies with it. Slowly people realized that the material from the cotton plant could be spun to make fibers which could be used to weave cloth. Early Indians wore fabrics made of cotton. It was cultivated near the river Ganga. Ancient Egyptians cultivated cotton as well as a plant called flax found near the river Nile. Flax plant too gives a natural fiber. The cloth so made was worn without stitching, as stitching was not known. After the invention of the stitching needle, people started stitching fabrics to make clothes, such as blouses and shirts. Later, machines were invented to spin, weave and stitch clothes. A very thin, thread-like strand from which cloth is made is called fiber. Fiber is called tantu or resha in Hindi. Any cloth made from yarn or fibers by weaving, knitting or felting is called fabric. Fabric means cloth, kapda or vastra. You might have observed fibers while trying to thread a needle. If the end of the thread is separated into few thin strands, it's difficult to pass the thread through the eye of the needle. Their thin strands are fibers. Sources of fibers. The cloth is prepared from fibers. Fibers differ in their origin. The fibers being used nowadays are classified into two types: natural fibers and synthetic or man-made fibers. Natural fibers are either of plant or animal origin. Cotton, jute, linen and hemp are some examples of fibers of plant origin. Wool and silk are the fibers of animal origin. Wool is obtained from the fleece of sheep or goat, hair of yak, rabbit and camels. Silk is drawn from the cocoon of silkworm. With the passage of time, man learned to make fibers from sources other than plants and animals. These fibers are made from chemical substances and are known as synthetic or man-made fibers. The synthetic fibers are manufactured in factories using chemicals. Examples are nylon, terylene, dacron, polyester, etc. Plant fibers. Cotton, jute, coir, hemp and flax are examples of plant fibers. Denim used to make jeans is made from cotton. Cotton. The cotton plant is a shrub. It grows well in black soil and warm climate. It needs moderate rainfall. Cotton is a soft fiber that grows around the seeds of the cotton plant. A variety of textile products are made from cotton. In India, khadi, a coarse hand-woven cloth, is made from cotton. Cotton is obtained from the cotton boll that grows on the cotton plant. It is obtained from the soft, white, fluffy cotton fibers growing around the seeds of the plant. When the mature cotton balls burst, the cotton fiber with seeds becomes visible. The raw fibers are then separated from the seeds by combing. This process is called ginning of cotton. Ginning is done by ginning machines called cotton gins. The separated seeds, if not damaged, can be used to grow more cotton plants. Next, the fiber is cleaned to remove leaves and twigs. It is then spun into yarn by a process called spinning. Spinning draws out the short fibers from the mass of cotton and twists them together into a long, continuous thread. Spinning is the process of transforming cotton fiber into yarn or thread. Spinning was earlier done by simple hand spindle called takli or on a spinning wheel called charkha. Charkha became popular during the independence movement when Mahatma Gandhi encouraged people to wear khadi homespun yarn and boycott imported cloth. Nowadays, spinning on a large scale is done by machines. Then yarn is used to make cotton by weaving in special machines called looms. Weaving is a process of arranging two sets of yarn together to get a fabric, with the help of handloom or power loom. Sufi Saint Kabir was a weaver. Knitting is a process of which a single yarn to create the entire fabric. Socks, sweaters, etc. are examples of knitted fabric. Knitting is done using hands as well as machines. The advantages of the wearing clothes made of cotton are discussed here. It is soft. It absorbs sweat. It also lets air in. When sweat evaporates, it cools down the body. Cotton clothes are therefore comfortable to wear, especially in hot, humid weather. Flax. It is also a plant which gives natural fibers. The fibers obtained from the flax plant are called flax fibers or just flax. The fibers are obtained from the stem of flax plant. The flax fibers are used for making fabric or cloth. The cloth made of stem fibers of flax is called linen. Linen is used for making bed sheets, clothes, etc. Thus, in addition to cotton, flax plants are also cultivated in fields to obtain fibers for making fabrics. Jute. The fiber is obtained from the jute plant. Jute plant requires a high temperature of about 30 degrees Celsius and rainfall above 150 to 200 centimeters to grow properly. Jute plant is grown mainly in the alluvial soil of Bihar, Assam and West Bengal. It is harvested when it is at the flowering stage. The stem of the plant is rotten into water-filled ditches through the process of rotting. The rotten stems are then beaten to separate the fibers. The fibers obtained are used to make ropes, carpets, and rough fabric. Coir. Coir is the fiber obtained from the outer covering or the husk of coconut. Usually coconuts are left in water for few months. The husk is then separated from the nut and beaten with wooden mallets to get the fibers. The fiber thus obtained is spun and dyed and is ready for weaving. Coir is used to make several household products like rope and floor covering and also as a stuffing in mattresses and pillows. Hemp. Hemp is obtained from the hemp plant. The stem of the plant is rotten in water-filled ditches. The rotten stems are then beaten to separate the fibers. The fibers obtained are used to make rope or fabrics. However, the hemp plant is also used in the production of the drug called cannabis.